Education is the process of receiving or giving systematic instruction, especially at a school or university, and should be provided to every child of the country. This may help the child to further grow up and endorse his or her field and increase their analytical thinking. The education is provided to the children depend on education system of that country. Let us see the example of education system of Japan. Japanese school system primarily consists of 6 years elementary schools, 3-year junior high schools, and 3-year high schools, followed by 2 or 3-year junior colleges or 4-year colleges. Compulsory education lasts for 9 years through elementary school and junior high school. This education system does its best to ensure that the student eat healthy and balanced meals. All classmates eat together with the teacher. This helps to build a positive teacher-student relationship. So the Japanese education has always had important goals in addition to acquisition of academic knowledge, intellectual growth, or vocational skills. Moral education and character development are also among the central concerns. Clean their school themselves. In Japanese schools, students have to clean the classrooms, cafeterias, and even toilets all by themselves. When cleaning, students are divided into small groups and assigned tasks that rotate throughout the year. Japanese education system believes that requiring students to clean up after themselves teaches them to work in a team and help each other. Besides spending their own time and effort, sweeping, mopping, and wiping makes pupils respect their own work and the work of others.
One of the supposedly major problems among students in Japan is discipline. There has been big media hype about classroom violence towards students and teachers. Childhood prostitution by some middle school and high school girls are generally unruly behavior. This behavior is unacceptable according to Japanese customs and traditions. Another very obvious supposed problem in Japan among the students and the general population is their poor English communication skills. Some Japanese teachers who teach English as their main specialty cannot even speak proper English. The current Japanese educational policies are misguided and misinformed. Eventually and unfortunately, the children pay the price for these mistakes and they are left with bad education unsuited to an uncertain future. In the end, we can only say that although Japan's educational system has defects, but it is one of the best educational system in the world.